I have one wish actually. Ah, nakuha ko na lahat. No more gifts to, except maybe a prayer to God for my country. I have reached the apex of my career. Material things which I cannot and will no longer be of use to me. I'm 72 years old. Give or take the reality of it all, it's going to be about 5 to 7 years. I'm about ready by that time also. By the time, God willing, if I complete the term, I would be walking slowly than when I entered. Medyo saguyod na sa Bisaya. So my wish, really, my prayer to God is that bigyan niya ako ng kunting lakas na lang to do an overwork time because it is needed. 24 hours is not really enough for the presidency. Unless you want to sleep more than just about 4 hours. I get to a lot of the state documents. And just to be careful, because I'm a lawyer, I take time really to understand what I'm approving. Mahirap na po ma-impeach.
So it's going to
No
be
more, pag na-impeach tayo. So extra careful, extra judicious. And that's I only ask God that give me a little bit of time, a little strength to surmount the problems of the country, and that I'd be able to, not really to solve, but maybe mitigate some of the rigors of governance.